certified people, you can send the list which can be forwarded. The whole idea is the fraternity which has a certain quality goes out there and furthers the certification program. तो आगे जाते हुए बड़ा अच्छा लगता है कि इंडियन योग एसोसिएशन के साथ हमारे साथ ही काम करने वाले, हमारी वेबसाइट को देखने वाले, हमारे डिज़ाइन को देखने वाले ऐसे हमारे दीपक रावत, ही इज़ वेरी एंटरप्रेन्योर. तो इन्होंने ये ऐप बनाने का प्रयास किया एंड ही इज़ हियर टू प्रेजेंट द फर्स्ट वर्जन एंड आई थिंक इट इज़ अ ग्रेट जॉब. हम सभी लोग को उनका प्रोत्साहन करना चाहिए कि उनका ये जो एफर्ट है और वो हमको आगे ले जाएं कि आपके क्या विचार हैं और आप आईवाईए को क्या ऑफर करना चाहते हैं.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining this session. First of all, I would like to thank Sri Subodh sir for offering me this opportunity to present IYA application in front of all of you. I also thank Art of Living. I'm very glad to see here all the gurus, all the yoga gurus, and would like to respectful greeting for all the gurus. Myself, Deepak Rawat. I'm from IYA Delhi head office, and today I'm presenting here quick walkthrough IYA application. Before moving the presentation, I would like to provide background about the application. So today arise everyone concerned about the health and research. Shows around 2.5 crore people world are looking yoga and wellness. So address this issue and catch opportunity, we are going to release an app that is IYA Stand and Unity. This would be mobile-based application and it will be available Android iOS stores. In the application, user can be easily find, verify yoga teacher, yoga doctor, university, yoga institutions, Ayurveda center, ACT, and can verify their identification. So this is first you open the app. First you open the app. This screen will be you have to log in the user login. So there is a username and password, and you can have to log in. If you forget the password, you can reset your password. There are the options, log in through the social media, through the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Google. You can log in also this. And if you are a new user, you can register. Simple username, password, your name, phone number, age, and gender. You can sign up. Also, you can, through the social media, you can sign up. So this is the dashboard after successful login. In this screen will be display. So first is left menu, top is profile, and below is search. And bottom is some display screens. Maybe this will be ad or some announcement we can display here. And first module will be the nearby teacher. So these are the verified teacher. You can check there, the check box is there. So these are the verified by yoga. So it will be always visible in the top. The second module is nearby yoga universities and institutions. So these are also verified by IYA. And next module will be treatment center. So nearby treatment center, it will be visible. Nearby means if you are opening in the Delhi, it will be visible local institutions and local teacher nearby you. Second module is yoga products. So yoga mat, Jal Niti board, these are the yoga products you can also shop for this app. And below is upcoming event. Also upcoming event will be displayed there. Recent will become, and this is also verified by IYA. And below is the meditation technique. Meditation techniques will help for better sleep, for pregnancy, for relax or feeling. So these are the music system which can be help for meditations. Second one, this is the list of yoga teachers. So always verified by yoga, it will become to top. So green checkbox always will be there. And if you click on the no more, so the teacher display will be there, and you can check their ratings, verified by IYA, how many experience he have. You can also know about him, what yoga style he's doing. Certification also, you can check it. And this is the same thing for the yoga institutions or yoga universities, which is verified by IYA. So when you click the no more, it will be display their profile, courses, program, project, everything will be there. And below will be the button, apply now. You can click apply now. There will be the form. It will be go institution also. It will be go also IYA administrator. Second thing also same for yoga treatment center. So always come up to IYA verified treatment center. So same thing will be display their details, slider, videos, all will be displayed there. Second one is wellness center. So wellness center also will be display as per the ratings. If rating is 5, it will be come to top. And if you click row more, it will be come to their details. You can check their details, program, yoga, and history. Whatever they have a program, you can check it. And other one is Yoga Shop. So through this application, you can also shop any yoga products, maybe book, maybe yoga, Jal Niti Port, any yoga mat, you can shop through these applications. Other one is yoga event. So yoga event, all yoga event will be display, and you can check their detail. Also, you can enroll this event. And this is also verified by IYA, and you can check also the rating and reviews. Second one is meditation technique. So this is the music system which is help for sometimes people cannot be sleep well. So they can be use this this music, and it will be help for the sleeping or other relaxations. Next one is healthy recipe. Everyone want to healthy recipe. So this is module already included in Yogvani. So we will display also here. Next one is yoga research. So yoga research, all the yoga research, because there are so many research in yoga, and we are planning to store one place and everyone can be check the yoga research details. So this is the yoga details. Also, this will be verified by IYA. I have given example on NMB, Madhumaya Nigam Bharat. Next one is article, yoga article. So yoga article also will be display. If someone want to reading the articles, they can be checked here. So this is the advanced search. In the top menu, you can verify, you can search by the teachers, doctors, institutions, yoga research, yoga articles, health recipe, medication technique, yoga event, treatment center, wellness center, yoga product. And as well as you can filter by country, city, gender, and name. So this is the left menu, which is you can quick go through the profile. Like a profile, you can go to profile, yoga studio, Ayurveda center, yoga therapy, wellness center, Ayurveda meditation, article, health recipes, yoga research, yoga product, yoga event, medication technique. Our Guru's blessing also will be there. So this is user profile. You can check, you can change your name, or you can change your mobile number or photos. So this is the user profile. Next one is yoga inquiry. So whenever you want, if someone want to yoga teacher, and you can click on the book now or apply now. So this form will be open. So you have type your name, email ID, phone number, comments. And below is checkbox. I agree, see WhatsApp. If you want to WhatsApp alert, you can go, you can check on this and submit. It will be go to our administrator and yoga teachers. So this is the Guru's blessing which we can display in our app. So I will just show you how it will be work. Yeah. So this is dashboard. After login, it will be display. If you click the top menu, the menu will be displayed. And close this one. And this is the slider, which is pop-up and announcement. And this is the search. Above is the advanced search. Click on the advanced search. So advanced search, you can also filter at the teacher basis, institution basis. Yeah, click on the categories. So these category basis you can be search. And this is the country basis you can select, city basis you can select, gender basis you can select, a name basis you can select. Go to search. And this is yoga teacher, nearby teacher. You can click on any, yeah. So this is verify, the green checkbox is there. So this is verified by IYA, and rating review will be there. Experience will be there, their certification will be there, language is spoken, what language he is speaking, English, Tamil, Hindi, and address will be there. If you click contact now, the inquiry form will be open. So now below also the nearby universities and institutions, you can also, yeah, these are more, click on the more, you can check all the institutions. So always top into IYA verified institutions. This is the slider you can check. And details also there, programs there, project will be there, yoga, videos, health and wellness, benefits, meditation, Ayurveda, upcoming workshop. And you can, if you want to apply, you can apply. So this will be form will be applied. And below also treatment center. So the same thing will be for the treatment center. If you go to no more, it will be same display, and the detail will be coming. And if you want to join, then the form will be open. And below is yoga shop, yoga products. So if you click, the all product will be display. Go back, top. These are upcoming events. So always upcoming event will be displayed first and verified by the IYA. If you click on the all event will be display, and click on the event, you can check that all the details. And next module is meditation technique. So through this meditation technique, this is actually the music system which can be help for sleeping, for stress, for pregnancy, for kids, for morning, energy, women, man. So I think this will be help for the people.
Thank you, Deepak. These are all the efforts going on, because as all of us realize that the Indian Yoga Association has a unique positioning where we have this sum of yoga institutions with very rich lineage and tradition. You have associate centers. So the effort is, of course, this is at a very nascent stage, but we hope to turn around pretty quickly so that each one of us could be benefited by this app. So these were the 4 areas which we wanted to put forward to you. And now if anyone has any questions, we would invite you to ask. You have not written, but then we have extra mic. Yeah, it's coming to you.
I have to ask.
Okay. And please ensure that the question is short and to the point, and you can refer to the individual whom you are asking the question.
Yeah, I have a question to a few people on the panel, but first let me just start with Deepak ji itself, who just finished a demonstration. My question for you is this application only, for example, if as associate center, will I be able to upload the event from my center itself, or should I go to IYA National Committee and they will upload the event, or how is it like?
First, we will add all the institutions and we have a data. So we will give the panel, they can be update their pictures and profiles.
It's only, this app is only for member institution associate centers only, right? Not for outsiders. Like,
This is also outside, but this is the tag one is green tag. Is
verified, okay.
Yeah, verified by IYA.
Oh, the verified tag will come only for the members.
Yeah, so verified by IYA is always go to top.
Okay. Yeah, because that is something which we have to understand. Because if it is open for public, I think then the associate centers or the member institutions will lose their significance there. So that is
Basically,
something
everyone.
which we need to decide. Yeah.
Thank-
That's just a suggestion actually. Anyway, I know it's still work in progress app and we can continue with that later. And one question to SP Mishra ji also. I think when you are presenting, right, because I am a lead examiner under YCB myself. And the way I know the YCB is there are two different categories. One we have 4 levels, one we have 3 levels. I think most of the times what I've seen the PRCB is doing is they're kind of putting an order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in fact, I don't think that is how it was defined. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. In a two different levels is what I understand, because one is a therapy stream, one is a education stream. I think because I think a lot of people, whenever I go to take exams, I'm correcting people that this is the 2 different streams and you don't mix it up in one order. I think that is something which I saw the same mix-up here also. So I just thought, I was also confused now, because what is it now? Whether it is 2 different streams or it's in order.
Examiners and the lead examiners. This is being finalized by YCB nowadays. Question paper setter, we decide. And question paper setting, there is a pattern. If at all multiple choices there, and there are 4 choices, then all the question will have 4 choices. None of the question should have 3 choices. If at all it has, it's a mistake. It's not by design, it's by mistake. You know, it must have happened.
First of all, there is no level. First, the volunteer certification, it's a training program. You are giving training. And even that is also very well tailor-made program. That is training, it's yoga volunteer. They are not teachers. Second one is the teachers program. Protocol instructor, wellness instructor, teacher and evaluator, and all these things, these are all education programs. Education, they are the teacher. Next, third level is the therapist. Assistant yoga therapist, consultants, etc. Then the fourth is a skilled yogasana sports coach. Then there are certain career. Then fifth one, we propose that institutional specialized programs like Sudarshan Kriya or Isha Kriya or something like that. We are also going to bring the standards for them, and that is the third one. Fifth one is under the process when I left it. So these are the things, and please know that there is no level.
Exactly.
So even if you have a knowledge and skill of master's course, you can directly appear for that.
Yeah, this is
That
where
have
the
to be-
confusion is actually, because whenever
No
I go to
confusion.
take exams,
No,
people
you
say
should
I'm
not
doing
go-
level 6 exam, level
No.
7 exam. I said there's no level there.
Yeah, no, that's why you should pass one level, second level, not
Exactly.
like that.
Not like that,
And seventh level is not concerned. No, they are independent of all these things.
Yeah,
It is
probably in the-
need-based. It is need-based. You need a teacher in the wellness, you have to go for the wellness instructor. You need a therapist for assistance in the hospital or under the guidance, you need a therapy assistant program. Like that. It's a need-based, there is no level for it.
Exactly.
Okay. My name is Dr. Jay Prakash, Principal Veda Maharishi College of Yoga. My questions to Amit and regarding this artificial intelligence. It's a good presentations, and I like to know what is the software on which you have made, and because we are also thinking in this direction for not only in asanas, in introspection techniques also. So we like to collaborate more with you on this. So that I think this is the questions many people will like to ask you. So you can throw some more information on the platform on which you have developed. Thank you.
So this is the deep tech behind it is a combination of computer vision and a motion analysis pipeline. The entire, so what I can say is the deep tech is our own. We can collaborate with you and enable it. It will be a privilege for us to collaborate, learn, and customize and evolve a solution for you. The external platform can be anything. It can be an application like this, or it can be a captive on-premise setup if you're concerned about the security aspects. Or it can be a web-based application. That is irrespective. But the deep tech, machine learning, or the AI model behind that is our own, and we've done quite a bit of research in being able to track the body points. The work is still ongoing, and as and when we keep getting further inputs from various schools or people who are interested, and we carry out the trials, it'll have to be custom designed for a certain thing.
I have this question for Dr. Basavareddy. I'm a YCB certified level 3 trainer and evaluator. Now I have evaluated 3 more students who has trained for wellness instructor. Now what should I do? They will appear for YCB level 2 or they will go for PRCB? And what is my role in that?
No. One is PRCP is one which is not conducting the course. It is certification body. Now all of you are conducting the course and certification.
Yeah.
PRCP it is knowledge and skill based.
Right.
Directly they can go. Any course, if you have that knowledge and skill, you can go. But we prefer from the IYA, everybody should go for the training first, then certify. That will bring the quality. But it's some stand has been taken to knowledge-based and skill-based certification to improve the number of certification. I think I answered your question.
I'm still confused.
No, that's why I turned. Your question is, you are level 3, teacher and evaluator.
Right.
You have become already the examiner or the observer with your experience?
They have trained under me only. They are my residents.
Yes. Then you will be empaneled. That's why one more opportunity. Whoever have done the level, that is teacher and evaluator, then you apply with your profile as per these things to the YCB. You will be empaneled as a yoga teacher and evaluator. So then whenever IYA conducts, so they can take our own teachers.
All
and
right.
you will be having very good amount. One day you will get 5,000 rupees or 3,000, whatever maybe, depends upon number of candidates. Minimum 5,000 rupees honorarium will get for one session. So that is also good opportunities for the teacher and evaluators.
And sir, I have done this as an individual, I am a faculty of a medical college. So should I enroll the
No
medical
need.
college as a center kind of thing?
No, that's why there is no need. You can continue studying and practicing, but you already certified, either by the institution or by the, it is YCB certification. It's uniform. There is no need.
And sir, about level 4 Yogacharya, syllabus is there on the website, but exam conducting center
You can
or
go to
about
the
exam.
PRCB, IYA PRCB, you can go and they will conduct it.
Okay.
If you have gone through the syllabus, you have developed the knowledge and skill, directly apply to the PRCB, IYA PRCB, and they will conduct the examination and certify by.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir. Thank you.
Sir, I have questions to the such august audience. If you look back the history of medicine, 500 years ago, the priest, they used to treat patients. Over a period of time, understanding the importance of the health, the medical education curriculum has been standardized. After joint entrance, 5 years of intensive training, then internship, then how step somebody get MBBS. They have to reappear in another specialty exam, get MD. MDs are eligible for appearing for the specialized training to get the nephrologist, that's the way, or any other specialized subspecialty. So why not this much of intensive training program has been designed whenever we are offering somebody as a therapist who is treating somebody's disease, how come 48 hours, 200 hours, somebody can adore the knowledge of physiology, biochemistry, and the human kinetics, and certify himself as a therapist who are treating somebody's health and wellness and illness? That is my question. I want to understand that thing from you, all the senior people.
Yeah, it's a very good question. I explained in my talk and about mentioning the Kaival Dham and my own institution for one diploma course. It's 1,000 hours and it's almost 9 months. They will be almost detained in the, that much of rigorous courses are also available. Kindly see the scenario. So when you need the huge number of yoga teachers and somebody is giving just without conducting any course, 10 days program, you are certifying and they are in the public domain. So to prevent all these things, and let us start with small things. And yes, many of us don't agree with some of things ourselves has introduced. So when in my institution I'm conducting a 3-year degree course and 2 years master degree course, then 8 years people are studying and their quality are in-depth studies. Now in the public domain, we need the teachers who are immediate, suppose protocol instructor. If you are rigorously studied for 3 months and you are able to teach that much, for wellness, this much only. There is a nursing staff in medical organization. There are other courses also who are supporting staff. So like this, when you want to go to the upgrade, now Yoga Acharya. So you need more than 10, 12 years of teaching experience, not only the qualification. Like this, there are standards. So that's why in the beginning we brought it small things so that the public demand should be created without compromising the quality. That was the big thing. I think I answered your question.
Good afternoon. This is Ramdas Nambi here. My question is specific to Colonel Amit Oberoi. It was a fantastic presentation, and the evolution or the study before and after comparison with the knee, ankle as a predominant. Likewise, is there also in the package hip joint or femoral joint is considered?
Please say again, sir, which joint?
Knee joint,
Yes.
you're evaluating the ankle,
Yes.
and then it. Likewise, the femoral joint, hip
Yes.
joint, is it considered?
Yes. We can track the hip joint.
No,
as well.
not the can. Is it being evaluated is my question.
Yes, we have done it. We've done it. We have to see what is the kind of precision that we are getting. Because
Okay.
if you see, a video consists of number of frames going together. You will see the frame count coming in. We aim at getting the joint exactly frame after frame. We can't misplace that. So it's highly precise. We have been able to do it.
All right, thank you.
This is for Colonel Amit only.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
continuation with that, so the basic premise when you are doing this AI is that the person is normal, meaning both the knee joints are similar and there is no abnormality over there. I deal with pain patients who have some problem, and many of them after some asanas get problems, so even whether it is a simple asana. So is there any way to differentiate somebody who has an underlying problem and somebody who's normal?
Ma'am, we also have, we have done research for gait analysis for old people as well as people with minor disabilities. So if a person is walking across and you come walking in, we can, by looking at your image, give you an idea of the kind of differentiation in your walk, whether the walk is normal or there is an issue. It can be done. Just for your information, if you have an Apple Watch, etc., using the MEMS sensors, the Apple Watch is already tracking it. But this is using computer vision, we can do it. Also, ma'am, there is a big problem of people being on crutches. And if you want to know whether that person is able to sustain or, walking across a treadmill, whether he is becoming okay or not, today's solution need him to go across on a treadmill and walk. I'm telling you the state-of-art solutions which are even there, I mean, in very high. What we have been able to achieve is let that person walk with a crutcher. We will still be able to predict. So we have done that kind of work. It's a work over 3-4 years.
Namaste everyone. My name is Dr. Richa Datta Shrivastava, and I have done MBBS, and I am from the first batch in holophacia. I have done osteopathy 6 years back. I'm practicing since 6 years back. So I'm sure osteopathy is not known in India much. It is a science which has come from the West. Now there, every third doctor is becoming osteopath. So, but then I also am associated with Art of Living for last 15 years. I'm practicing yoga and meditation. So in my mind, I always had that thing, just like Gurudev says, we should have the best of East and best of West. So combining, how can we combine the yoga and the osteopathy together? In fact, I had that thought, and the last year I created, in the COVID time, I created Vegas Wellness Therapy. So that we can give, in that I give the techniques to heal yourself, self-healing osteopathy techniques. There are some yoga stretches, there are breath work, and the meditation. And then I started training people to become the therapists that they can heal others also. So just like you, I saw that there is a scope for the physiotherapy you had as a wellness therapist. So can we also add like Vegas Wellness Therapy into that in future, or osteopathy also? Yeah.
No, one is appreciation. You are the medical professional, you want to appreciate any other system wholeheartedly, you have to understand that.
Yeah.
We started in 2008, Anand is there, and in JIPMER we did that. Lot of oppositions for the medical community. But now the entire medical community is accepting yoga after knowing the benefits of yoga, which is complementing their system.
Yeah.
That is called appreciation. You start appreciating that.
Yeah.
Earlier you were rejecting it, now you start accepting and appreciating. Second one is gaining the knowledge. If you want to integrate, you should have the thorough knowledge of both the systems. Then only you are able to integrate.
Yeah, that's
Otherwise,
how,
it is a collaboration. You are giving your medicine, another osteopath or another these things, and this is the way how we have to proceed. By I am a profession, if you want to become a yoga therapist, you should have a thorough knowledge of yoga therapist.
yeah. So basically I'm an Art of
But
Living
it is
teacher.
easy for you because you are already having a medical knowledge.
Yeah.
Like this.
So how can we integrate? Like now is an era of integrative medicine. So can we combine there will be a different stream for the Vegas Wellness Therapy where yoga and osteopathy both are combined.
No, I
Because-
have given a general, these things of my view. If you want to integrate anything, you should have a proper knowledge of those systems you want to integrate.
Yeah, that's why I'm an osteopath.
That's
the first
the
one.
emerging area is the integrative medicine, and things are going on. It's a futuristic integrative medicine. Course may come. The 5 or 6 years course may come on integrative medicine also.
Thank
Hari Om. Pranams to everyone. Dr. Abhijit Ghosh from West Bengal, IUIA team. Previously also we had a talk with Tiwari. We are facing a problem in West Bengal that is regarding wellness instructor post. It is created by government of West Bengal, and they are recruiting now. And the problem is they are saying that no other courses certificates are allowed in this wellness instructor post, rather than only the certificate is issued by Yoga Naturopathy Council, Government of West Bengal. So that is the problem.
We have received that representation.
Yeah.
So this is a state subject. What we are trying to do from the IYA central office is represent the case to the council. We have received the response from the department and the secretary.
Okay.
And they have requested some information. If we are able to give that, probably we will find a solution to that.
Okay, all information I will supply.
Yes. So we have taken up that on behalf of the state chapter. Please remember that each state can make its own rules, but it is for us to take that matter to the state governments so that IYA positioning can be strengthened and we have our views. सुनंदा जी को कई बार खड़ी हो चुकी हैं, इनको दे दो माइक भाई. हो गया आपका प्रश्न? हाँ. So I think this will be the last question we take.
थैंक यू सुबोध जी. मेरा क्वेश्चन आपके ऐप से रिलेटेड है. लाइक हु आर मेंबर्स एंड हु आर एसोसिएट सेंटर एंड हु आर मेन सेंटर, आप उनका इंफॉर्मेशन खुद डालने वाले हो, और यू आर गोइंग टू गिविंग एक्सेस to that institute to upload their information. This is number one. You got my question? So आप खुद डालोगे या हमको डालना है?
We will make it 2 modules. One from our administrator will be uploaded. First we have a data. So we will upload the all data, and then we will give username and password. They will upload their photos, informations, because if then after submitting we will approve it. This is the process.
It will be OTP generated? We'll get some OTP or something to upload? How you will give access?
We will send to you details.
No, but what I'm asking, if everybody is uploading and there is no control, so... Acha, it's not abhi tak. It's not finalized yet.
This is the first cut, so please feel free to give your suggestions to make it better. And what we can do is definitely, we cannot create, but we will definitely look at the possibilities of an independent partnership for what exists. Some people prefer to make it a public trust, private trust. So there are, or a private company of Section 8. So there are a lot of options available. What we can do is probably illuminate those available positions, and the person can choose as what is the best for that person. And under each state rules, it may vary. Like some places you may be required to register under Shop and Establishment Act and so on and so forth. But we'll definitely take this point, look at it, so it becomes easier for the members.
Quick comments, 1 minute. It's a really good appreciation, the way we are working towards quality. But what I felt, the CO, course objective and program objective, can enhance the further quality of the, in the syllabus. The NEP is brought the course objective and the program objectives. Any of the courses, there will be a cognition learning, there will be a skill and also motor learning and the application based. If we design the syllabus based on this NEP instructions, that will further enhance the quality of training. That's a quick
Yes.
comment. Thank you.
Sir, my name is Ramesha Venkatarao. This is for Colonel Amit. The data analytics that you have used, right, for postural corrections. So can we use, can we contemplate for determining the insights or when the susceptible prevention and forecasting, is it possible based on the past data?
Exactly. That is the reason the whole concept is. The primacy of the whole concept is to prevent injuries. So you can forecast that, this person has a tendency to place his foot a bit towards the right. He has a tendency to bend in a particular manner. So you can forecast that he or she is likely to get injured or not. And similarly, you can customize it to a particular individual. So that is definitely there. We would love to get further suggestions or inputs from you, which will be built into the system.
Basically, what I am saying is any parameter that you are considering, for example, bone thickness or something, right? Based on
So
some
we can
medical
discuss
references.
after this because of paucity of time.
Sure. Thank you.
Dhanyavad, dhanyavad or dhanyavad. I think the speakers are here, you are here. You can take this discussion forward individually because we want to maintain the discipline of time. So before I conclude this session, I think it was a very interesting session. Please give a big round of applause to all the speakers. Thank you, and it's a very meaningful discussion, and I'm so happy that all of you could participate. Before I conclude, I would like to mention those states of IYA which are here with their office bearers, so we at least acknowledge them. From Jharkhand, we have Amit Kumarji, who's the secretary. If he's here, he can just stand up. Namaskar, namaskar. From Gujarat, we have Shri Narendra Chaudhary, who is an associate center. He's also working in the GST department, if anyone needs any help. From Delhi, we have Praveen Prabhakar, who is the secretary. Namaskar, namaskar, dhanyavad. From Kerala, there's Mr. Raj Gopalanji, who's the secretary, and Sanju Krishnanji. Are you here? All right, just let them know we called them out. And a big thank you for the host state chapter of Karnataka. They have been a fabulous help, and भंवरलाल जी जो चेयरमैन हैं, आपका सहृदय से धन्यवाद. And I think Karnataka is doing really well. Ravi Tulmuri, Secretary. You ask him to do things tomorrow and it would happen yesterday. Madhavaji, he is here. Yeah, namaskar. And Subramanian. But yeah, he has done really all the work. The kits, beautiful kits you see is all his efforts and mehnat, of course with the team, but he took the lead, so dhanyavad. We have Maskar ji and Pathak ji from Maharashtra and Sunanda Rathi from Maharashtra. So आप लोग का भी धन्यवाद. मध्य प्रदेश से लता जी आई हैं हमारे साथ, वो कहीं आसपास होंगी, हाँ हैं. धन्यवाद. Rajasthan, we have Dhaka Ramji and Himanshu Paliwal. He would be around. Of course, Tamil Nadu, a great contingent led by Mr. Lilangovan. He is a fantastic personality. Wherever he goes, he has such a positive impact. Thank you. And West Bengal, you have Shishir Bishwas, who is the Joint Secretary here. Very good. You have Bhattacharya ji, who is the Secretary, and Pankaj Bhagat, who is the Joint Secretary. Is there anyone I have missed out? चलिए, आपका स्वागत. धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद. So, you know, it's all, जो भी होता है वो साथ मिलकर ही होता है. And IYA, अरे वाह, स्वागत. नमस्कार, नमस्कार. Thank you. So we have the Uttar Pradesh represented. हरियाणा से नरेंद्र यादव जी. चलिए, गुड. धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद. जो लिस्ट मिली, बट बहुत अच्छा लगा आप आए. And anyone else? Pondicherry has been left, where we have Dr. Ananda and the whole team contingent from Pondicherry. चलिए, बहुत अच्छा. Anyone who, अरे जोर से बोलो ना. Andhra Pradesh, what's your name? Amresh, thank you so much. It's pleasure to have the representation. Meghalaya, of course, we have her from such a beautiful state of Northeast. So the whole intent is to recognize and thank everyone who's here taking the effort. I will thank the panelists, and also before I close, I should appreciate the team of Indian Yoga Association in the office who works backhand. We have Bhavna, please stand up. She's done a fabulous job. Babita, who has done a fabulous job. Right behind, we have Bhupender, multi-person, he looks after finances. We have Gagan, and we have Colonel Bhandari, and helping us. So this team, which is invisible, so this is a fabulous team who are working. Yes, and Deepak, of course, has been appreciated, is in it, and that is the upgradation he is taking himself through. So I'm really thankful to all, and let us not forget the great help from the host, Vasanti ji and her team. All the team of volunteers, we are delighted to have. Of course, Kamlesh ji is here, which has served like a catalyst. So the intent is just to acknowledge each one of us who has contributed. As a Secretary General, I feel so humbled that everyone is here, and it's a great thing to be together. And Swami Atmapriyanand ji to come all the way from Calcutta, bless us. He's our Senior Vice President. And thank you, Swami ji, and all the panelists here, Baswa Reddy ji, Colonel Amit, Mishra ji, and Deepak. So we conclude this session. The next session is from 5 to 6. That's an open question and answer session. जो भी और प्रश्न हो which are not specific can be asked, and that session will be there. Dr. Ananda will be there in that session coordinating all the efforts. Dhanyavad, and thank you so much. We will conclude with recitation of the Shantipat Purnamidam. Kindly sit, be aware of your breath, settle your posture, your mind for a few seconds. Gently inhale and we'll chant together. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Tachyate Purnasya Madaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.